Hey guys, if you're unable to accept a Discord invite link, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. So the first thing we're going to do is just head over to the Discord application, and what you need to do is right click on the invite link that you have received, come over to copy link, then from the left hand navigation come over to add a server. Right at the bottom where it says have an invite already, click join a server, and then you're going to go ahead and paste the link that we just copied, and from here click join server. Now if this doesn't work for you, another thing we can do is head over to an internet browser and try pasting in the link from here, and then once again come over to the left hand side and select add a server, come down to join a server, and once again paste the link inside of here, click join server. Now again, if that still doesn't fix the issue, another thing we can do is head back over to your internet browser, and this time we're just going to select continue to Discord, and I would recommend trying to join the Discord server in your web browser like so. So instead of using the official Discord app, we're going to try joining the server from here by clicking add a server, click join a server, and then we can paste the link inside of here, click on join a server. You can also try joining the server in incognito mode, and to do this we just need to head over to the three vertical dots, click on new incognito window, and then paste the link inside of here and hit enter. Now if you have tried all of these steps and that still isn't working, the very last thing you'll need to do is try connecting to a VPN. If you already have a VPN installed on your PC, then go ahead and connect to that now. If you don't have a VPN installed, then what you'll need to do is head over to these three vertical dots, click on extensions and select visit Chrome Web Store. Now this will only work inside of Google Chrome, so if you are using another web browser, just make sure to swap to Google Chrome now. Then in this search box we're going to type in VPN space free and hit enter, and then from here just select a free VPN to use on our browser. I'm going to go ahead and select this top one here, this VPN one, click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, then just select your subscription plan. We're going to go ahead with this free one. Then we just need to head over to this extension icon in the top and select the pin icon next to free VPN. Now finally just come over to the VPN icon, and you'll need to go through the steps and just connect to this free VPN. So I'll use a UK server and go ahead and connect, and then finally with your VPN on and connected, we can once again try joining the server, and that should have now solved the issue. If you have tried all of these steps in this video, it could be a possibility that you're banned from the Discord server, so you would need to get an administrator or a moderator to unban you, or potentially if you have a underage account, then it could be that the server just requires you to be 18 or over. Anyway, if this video was helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.